What is the cell cycle? The cell cycle is a series of stages that a cell passes through to prepare for cell division, then repeats itself once the cell divides. The first stage is G1. In this stage, the cell increases in size and prepares to replicate its DNA. The next stage of the cell cycle is the S phase. This is where the cell synthesizes a copy of the DNA from the cell's nucleus. Next is the G2 phase. This is the last phase of interphase, and this is also where the cell is getting prepared for mitosis. During the G2 phase, if the cell needs to grow more, it will, and it will also produce any more molecules needed to divide. The final stage of the cell cycle is the M phase. This is where the cell splits into two daughter cells and starts the process all over again. The first part of mitosis is interphase. Interphase is where the cell grows, replicates its DNA, and prepares for mitosis. In prophase, the spindle fibers start to grow out of the old centrioles. The replicated chromosome starts to compress and become apparent, and the nuclear membrane disappears. Next is metaphase. In metaphase, the double chromosomes start aligning in the middle of the cell, top to bottom, while the centromeres begin to connect to the spindle fibers towards the outsides of the cell. In anaphase, the double chromosomes split into single chromosomes and the spindle fibers shorten, so the single chromosomes move to opposite sides of the cell. During telophase, the chromosomes start to have a nuclear membrane develop around them and begin to separate. Finally, cytokinesis happens and the cytoplasm divides until it has formed two separate daughter cells.